My name's Jamie, I'm a builder and I'm doing a refurb in this house, and today I'm going to show you how to hang a coat rail on a plasterboard wall. And I've made a little mock-up one here, and that's our plasterboard. So if we're going to hang this little fella on this stud-work, we've got to find out where those studs are. Now the way to do that is by using the knocking technique. So if I knock it, the sound becomes more dead when I'm right above the stud. If you don't do that, then you've got to drill for it. So these are my two drills. We're going to use the baby one now, but don't worry fellas, we can use the big one later. Keep on drilling until you find the stud, leaving all these little holes in the wake, which you're going to need to paint over later. And I know it's one more. So there, I know that that's where the stud is. But this is a real time-consuming and difficult way to hang what is only a little hook. So there's an easier way of doing it, and I'll show you that now. And it's by using one of these little guys, and that will act like a rule plug. So we're going to smack a hole through here using the big drill, and then stick this little fella through the plasterboard, and that's going to be our fixing point for the hook shelf. And we'll drill through that, just big enough for the shank, and then that little fella just sits in there like so, and then I've got a screwdriver here, and I'll just push that in, and it bites into the plasterboard, and that is going to hold the screw. So I'm screwing that all the way into that hollow fixing plug, like so. Good and tight. Then I put my level on there, make sure the bubble's between the lines, which it is. And then I've got to put a little mark like that using that screw, because I know full well my pencil is going to be too short. And then because I've already fixed it, it holds it in position like that. So then I use the big boy again. In he goes. Just make a little hole. I need another special hollow wall fixing, which I've got right here. So that can go in there, and it bites into the plasterboard. Then I need my screw. Just got to line him up, like so. Tighten him. Just test it. Perfect. And now in true Brit fashion, I think it's time for a cup of tea.